Hey guys, this is Devin Binion with Top Rated Gutters of South Bend. I want to go over a little bit about some gutter maintenance and then essentially what we call a gutter tune-up. So about 2-3 times a year, it's really important to clean your gutters, get any loose debris, sticks, twigs, pine needles, you name it, whatever can get in the gutter. It's important to get that out. And what we would do as Top Rated Gutters coming out to your place is all of this here, we would make sure all of this is out and not clogging your downspouts and outlets. And then also we go over and we check your hangers and your outlet fasteners to make sure these are all buttoned up good and your elbows are connected and things like that. It's really important in the fall time because once winter months come around, with all of this stuff in there, any moisture that's trying to flow to the outlet will get trapped and then freeze, and that can pull the gutter away from the fascia, which then could lead to roofing damage, and that will cost you as a homeowner thousands and thousands of dollars more in damage. And here at Top Rated Gutters, we're all about preventing that and saving the homeowner money. So if you need anything done, simple as a gutter tune-up, any downspouts changed, or simply replacing all your gutters, give Top Rated a call. We'll be stopping out and getting you taken care of.